How to file a complaint against Fidelity Investment. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can file a complaint against Fidelity Investment. So in order to file a complaint against Fidelity Investment, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all, you need to open up your application, or you need to open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in www.bbb.org/us. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. So this is an official website where you can actually file a complaint against Fidelity Investment. So for that, you need to go ahead and select file a complaint located right at the bottom. Next page, you need to go through all of these instructions. So here you need to go ahead and select the continue button after you're done selecting. So after you've done with this, you need to click the continue button. On the other interface, you'll be able to see multiple options once again. And also, if you don't want to do this procedure, then you can directly contact the support team as well by contacting on a toll-free number right over here, and they'll look into your matter. So that is how you can file a complaint against Fidelity Investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.